It's Ivan Bates and me. Right here. Ivan Bates and me. As an officer of the court, you got to tell them about the conversation we had. You refused to take my case. Remember that? So we don't have a client attorney privilege here. I was making a documentary, and I told you I was making a documentary. This was long before you ran for office. All right? I've been in business since 1997. I know judges, lawyers, and politicians. I know Gov.O'Malley and his mom machine, those dirty Democrats. On December the 10th, 2010, Councilman Welch's mother retired. Y'all gave Councilman Welch got his job from his mother. That's nepotism. All right? That's nepotism. Sheila Dixon called y'all the Dirty Dozen. I was there. So was Julie Sharper. So was Nathaniel Oates. So was McFadden. So was Thelma Branch. Y'all threw me out. You be throwing me out at events too, but in 2023, we talking about the criminalization of poverty. We're talking about the murder and the death of our kids. You want to lock our kids up or send them to jail or dead, and that ain't the agenda here. I gave you a Shorty program, self-help organization for the redevelopment and re-education of the young. I applied for Martin Luther King's job, and y'all got mad. I gave y'all public accommodations. The right to use the toilet. That's Mr. Bailey, my lawyer, and I got this all on film, a documentary about the corruption in the courts and the prison industry. That's the Stop Snitching video from 2006. That's Rob Fix. That's Shorty Davis. Baltimore County Detention Center, Bosley Avenue. I gave y'all a Monopoly board in 2011, and it showed you how you make money off of black bodies. You know what I'm saying? The cheapest properties. Yeah, the railroads, the electric company, going to jail, free parking. I gave you that on that toilet. I gave you the judges and the lawyers and the politicians that was making money off of black bodies. This is to prove I was making a movie about the judicial system. All right, that's notarized. Wes Moore got this. Ivan Bates got this. Eric Barron got this. It's art and activism. I'm Shorty, the owner of the Country Ridge store. All right, I own my business, and the state owe me money. And if y'all don't want to pay me, we're gonna call it the campaign of public shame. Right here, because I gave this information to Corey McCray at his 40th district meeting, and he didn't want to hear it. Ivan Bates was there too. Sometimes you get that funny feeling, and you don't know what to do. Don't worry, we'll tell you. We'll tell you where to go and when you gotta go. It's called potty training politicians. People pay attention to dumbass shit. That's Snead, and that's Perez. Perez was attorney. He was Attorney General with the Department of Justice, and he was the DNC chairman. You feel me? He was the DNC chairman. I'm making toilets. She getting ready to go to court. All right? Like I said, the Stop Snitching video, she better snitch or she going to jail. That ain't no joke. And I got all kind of toilets. I got toilets for everybody. You feel me? I got toilets for everybody. You see your elected officials? It's called potty training politicians because people pay attention to dumbass shit. And that's your biggest loser in Baltimore, the Roo. All right? That's your biggest loser. So pay attention to this shit. We don't want no misunderstandings. I'm designing bathrooms. And we flushing careers down the hole. We flushing careers down the hole. So Ivan Bates, you got paperwork. You got a legal notice. You got knowledge of corruption in the courts. The money behind the machine. I'm just a cook, and I'm getting ready to cook y'all up. I don't get no justice. You don't get no peace.